Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a MetaMask extension in Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. You'll want to search for MetaMask and make sure you select the official extension. Once you find it, simply click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. In just a few moments, you'll see the familiar MetaMask Fox icon appear right in your browser's toolbar, ready for the next step. Now that MetaMask is installed, click its icon to get started. You'll have two main options: either create a brand new wallet or import one you already own. If you're new, choose Create a New Wallet. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Then, you'll need to set a strong, unique password. This password will protect your wallet on this specific device, so choose wisely. This is perhaps the most critical step: securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word phrase. You absolutely must write this down in order on a physical piece of paper. Store it in at least two very secure, offline locations. Never, ever share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Finally, confirm your phrase by re-entering the words to ensure you have it correct. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet is now fully set up and ready for action. You can now easily connect your wallet to countless decentralized applications and websites across the web. This allows you to view your cryptocurrency balances, check your transaction history, and securely send or receive various digital assets. Remember to always double-check the website you are connecting to for security. Enjoy exploring the decentralized world.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.